Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today I want to show you a project that we're doing here with Seura TV. We have our strong mount. We also have 6 in-ceiling speakers from Klipsch. So let's check one of these out real fast. We did these once before in a video. They have these little self-tapping things here that once they heat, they lock down and then it's all done. So we have 6 of these going in out here, and we will use a Sonos amp with an arc built in through the TV to control audio, so you don't have to go through the app to use Sonos while you're watching TV. And it should crank out some music really well out here. So stay tuned, continue to watch along. Remember to like and subscribe down below. Hey guys, it's Ronnie here with Great Choice, showing you this finished project at this house that we started here around right about noon. And it's now about 5 o'clock. So we got our 6 in-ceiling Klipsch speakers and our Seura outdoor TV with this nice little cabinet that we can actually close the doors and fully close it off. Another good reason to go with a true outdoor TV like this versus a traditional indoor TV is because it's going to be a lot brighter. So your traditional indoor TV is not going to be as bright as what you have outside to support all the sunlight. So if we take a look over here real fast, we have our wire coming out of the patio that they had just added on to this, and basically took a piece of conduit over and around and down to punch into the living room. And we have our Sonos amp and our speaker selector box along with a Zegan comeback piece to get our audio from the TV to the amp. So remember to like and subscribe down below, guys. You have a Great Choice day.